He tangata pukenga maha a Paris Lokotui.
When I was growing up, I got put into every single sport you could think of. Basketball, netball, water polo were the main three. So got to represent New Zealand for those three sports at school level.
Nō nai nei, kei te hari ia ki te tākaro poi tarawhiti.
Oh, beautifully read, Paris Lokotui.
Kua tau te kaitākaro Ngāi Tahu a Lokotui te tūnga wing defence mō te kapa Tactix. I uru atu ia ki te tīma nei I te taurua manorua te kaumātoru.
I think Pulse was really good for my first club. It gave me a lot of pride to represent my city and where I was from and brought up from. So yeah, that was a hard change to leave, but I came down in Christchurch, not because I'm from here, but my brother was here with the Crusaders Academy. So that kind of incentivized my move to come down and it kind of just stuck. So yeah, it's really cool. It's like my second home here. I love it and I don't think I want to go back to Wellington.
Nō te mutunga wiki kua hipa I tuki rai ki te rai te kapa Tactix me te kapa steel. I toa te Tactix mā te piro e whitu. Ko tā te poa ko te kapa a Donna Wilkins, he kēmu miharo rawa atu mō Lokotui.
Paris is massive to us and just her work ethic and chasing down ball. I think she had at least 2 intercepts or she had forces out the back line. So sometimes you don't see the work that a wing D does because, you know, it's a bit thankless, but she forced a lot of ball out for us and she was very solid through the court.
Obviously that's not what we want to play like, but it was cool to play ugly and get a win out of that. Still a really good side, so just managing how we kind of physically come up against teams like that.
Nō tēnei mutunga wiki ka tuki te kapa Tactix me te kapa Stars. Heoi, kua whara te maha o ngā kaitākaro o te Stars. E mārama ana Lokotui I tēnei āhuatanga nā I whara tōna turi I mua I tōna kaupeka tuatahi me te kapa Silver Ferns I te taurua manorua te kaumarua.
Obviously any injuries are really gutting and to see, you know, really good players go down is not really, you know, you don't want that for anyone. So yeah, I guess they're going to be hurting, but with a lot of hurt comes a fire to play for their teammates, and that's what we're aiming for. We're expecting that they're going to come out and ready to burn and ready to play for their teammates.
Heoi, e ai ki a Lokotui, he rama kei tua.
We hope that they have a good recovery and come back stronger and better. Obviously we want to win the AZ Premiership, that's our goal as a team. Post that, who knows?
A te rātapu ka tuki atu te kapa Tactix me te tīma Stars I Tāmaki Makaurau. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.